Good morning, traders. Wanted to talk about today why we never want to jump the gun. That's a big error that a lot of people do. And today I didn't trade, but I'm like almost took a trade, right? And I almost took this trade right here. And I said, should I get in early right here? When it was showing me it held support for a second, I said, no, I'm gonna wait because my strategy is the VWAP strategy, which you guys know if you go look at my previous videos. It's a trend break strategy and a VWAP strategy, right? But it has to be in the right context. You know what I'm saying? It has to be in the bigger picture has to be in your way, right? I didn't want to go short today, even though it was like it could have been a short, but I was like I was just looking for a couple long trades, right? To see. I was like, okay, should I jump the gun right here and get in maybe 100 shares right here, and then maybe 100 shares after it crosses VWAP? But I was like, no. I just finished another book, a couple books, and talking about errors and execution. And trading, like Mark Douglas says, is execution. It's not analysis. It's part analysis, but trading is execution, right? And let's say I jumped the gun right here, you guys. I would be down, even if it was a partial, like even if it was just a beginner feeler trade, right? Just to get in maybe 100 shares here and then try to be a little early and be a little early. I didn't jump the gun. I was like, you know what? It didn't crack VWAP, and it didn't crack. I was trying to get it, like let's say it would have cracked above 600, right? I was trying to get it, like when it was right here, when it held, and it kind of held for a second here before this happened. But I was trying to get it, like I was like, okay, maybe if I get a 599 average and then around 6, it goes up and it breaks 6 and comes back and tests 6, I might be able to get in and possibly if it keeps going up and create new highs. But I was like, oh no, you know, what's the biggest errors? Like one of the biggest errors traders make: FOMO, emotional trading, jump in the gun. So good choice you guys I made today. I just wanted to share that, and I want maybe it could help other people why we never jump the gun. This is only one example, you guys, but there's plenty of examples. Sometimes you could be right when you jump the gun, but in the long run, it's not a good strategy, you guys. The video is still on the uptrend, you guys, on the bigger picture. Today we got new highs. We reached the high 603, but as soon as we got that high, you're seeing it like boom. Then I put this trend line while it was happening. I'm like, okay, let me not be emotional, right? Let me look at the full picture. The full picture is you can't like ignore what's happening. Some people like to ignore what's happening because they're so biased, right? But I was like, before this happened, it was like it's on a downtrend, like right here, especially right here on the 2-minute chart. You guys see this? Like boom, boom, boom. I'm like, okay, it has to crack the trend, close above it, then crack above VWAP. So if I would have jumped the gun, you guys, right here, I'd probably be down. I probably would have lost plenty on this trade, you guys. This is why you never want to jump the gun. Wait for the best trades. And I was like, okay, the only way I'll take it along, you guys, if it goes, it has to go all the way down to this trend, like right here. This is the only way I'll take it, where there'll be enough room for me and maybe room for error if it holds, if it does like a 2-try failure. So be careful, you guys. Watch the volume, especially the volume. This volume would have had you tricked out today, you guys. So be careful, you guys. Pay attention. Don't trade emotionally. And don't forget, plan the trade, trade the plans. Give this video a like. See you on the next one. Peace out.